Alright guys, another day, another sailing adventure. Ito po yung weather update natin sa Boracay. Yan, our guest from Australia. Yan, our guest. Hello ma'am. Hello, enjoy sailing. Our guest from Australia guys. Yan, sina sir. Taga saan tayo sir?
Cavite.
Cavite, yan, from Cavite. Oh, andito na sa Boracay, nag-chill-chill na. Para sunset sailing. Yan guys, ganda ng sunset natin. A lovely weather guys. Lovely sunset.